In the world of wellness, sometimes the simplest ingredients hold the most powerful secrets. But before we dive into this exciting journey of natural weight loss, we have a small request. If you like our content and want to keep up with our latest tips and tricks, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's embark on this 30-day challenge together and uncover the magic of cinnamon, celery, and lemon. Looking for a natural way to slim down in 30 days? Welcome to our journey toward achieving this goal through a unique blend of nature's finest, cinnamon, celery, and lemon. This 30-day challenge is all about embracing these natural powerhouses that not only aid weight loss, but also pack a punch of health benefits. We'll delve into why this trio should be your go-to for a healthy, sustainable weight loss journey. Stay tuned to learn more about this powerful trio and their benefits. Ever thought of cinnamon as more than just a spice? Bursting with flavor and warmth, this humble pantry staple is also a powerhouse of health benefits. Cinnamon's secret weapon? It's packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that can help keep you healthy. But let's talk about why you're really here: weight loss. Cinnamon can be a game changer for those looking to shed some pounds. This spice can influence blood sugar levels, helping to curb cravings by keeping your blood glucose steady. Say goodbye to those mid-afternoon sugar crashes. And that's not all. Cinnamon also has a knack for boosting your metabolism. When your metabolism is firing on all cylinders, your body can burn calories more efficiently. This means you could be burning calories even while you're catching some Z's. So next time you're reaching for a spice to jazz up your meal, consider cinnamon. Cinnamon, a spice that packs a punch, not just for flavor, but also for your weight loss journey. As we delve deeper into the myriad of superfoods for weight loss, let us remind you, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Such a small action, but with a big impact for us. Moreover, if you haven't already done so, boost your wellness journey by subscribing to our channel. But don't just stop there. Share our content with others as well and activate that notification bell. This way, you'll stay up to date with our latest videos packed with health tips and other valuable information to enhance your well-being. Your support fuels our passion to keep creating content that pushes you forward in your wellness pursuit. Now, let's dive back into our comprehensive list of superfoods. Next on our list is celery, the low-calorie hero. This humble green stalk is a nutritional powerhouse that's often overlooked. Packed with vital vitamins and minerals, celery is not only nutritious but also notably low in calories. Now, let's dive into the science a little. Celery is composed of about 95% water. This high water content, coupled with the dietary fiber in celery, makes it an excellent aid in weight loss. When you consume celery, these two components work together to make you feel fuller for longer, reducing overeating and snacking. Celery is also incredibly low in calories, with a single large stalk containing only about 10 calories. By incorporating celery into your diet, you can create what's known as a calorie deficit, which is when you consume fewer calories than you burn. This calorie deficit is a critical element of weight loss. Celery, a humble vegetable with powerful weight loss benefits. Last but not least, lemon, the detox agent. This bright and zesty fruit is packed with health benefits that you wouldn't want to overlook. Known for its detoxifying properties, lemon plays a crucial role in cleansing our bodies. It's like a mini spa treatment from the inside out, helping to flush out toxins and impurities. But the magic of lemon doesn't stop there. It's also a fantastic aid for digestion. The citric acid in lemons interacts with other enzymes and acids in our bodies, stimulating the secretion of gastric juice and helping to kickstart the digestion process. And what does this mean for weight loss? When digestion is smooth and efficient, our bodies are better at breaking down fat, turning it into energy rather than storing it. So, next time you're reaching for a beverage, why not consider a warm cup of lemon water? It's a simple step, but one that could make a big difference. Lemon, adding a refreshing twist to your weight loss journey. Now, let's bring it all together. Our star trio of cinnamon, celery, and lemon are about to perform their magic in a blend that's as delicious as it is beneficial. First, let's start with the cinnamon. You'll need a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Not only does this spice pack a punch in flavor, but it also has the ability to control your blood sugar levels and reduce cravings. Next, we have our low-calorie hero, celery. Take 2 stalks and chop them up. Celery is not just a humble vegetable, it's a powerhouse of dietary fiber that aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. Finally, squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. This citrus gem will work to detoxify your body, boosting your metabolism and aiding in weight loss. Combine these 3 ingredients in a blender. Add a cup of water and blend until smooth. If you prefer, you can strain the mixture to remove the pulp. The best time to consume this healthful concoction is in the morning on an empty stomach. This allows your body to absorb the nutrients effectively and kickstart your metabolism for the day. There you have it, the cinnamon, celery, and lemon solution. A natural way to slim down in just 30 days. Give it a try and see the difference it can make.